Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this really delicious coconut based turmeric fried rice, guys. But before we move on, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get started. Alright guys, now since this is fried rice, we're gonna go ahead and add our rice to our oil and fry this with our turmeric, guys. I'm gonna pour some coconut milk and allow this to fry in for about 3 minutes. After that, we're going to add our water, put this fire on low heat and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes, guys. After 15 minutes, guys, our rice is almost ready. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer this into the fridge for 10 minutes, guys.
Somebody come give me.
Now the seasoning is very simple, guys. We're going to go ahead and add some rosemary as well as some shrimp, garlic and onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and add some pepper, guys, for a kick. You already know, first class cook. And then add some salt for taste, guys. Fry this for about 10 minutes. Now, after 10 minutes of frying our vegetables with the shrimp, I added the rice, guys, and we're gonna give it a stir and leave it on for 5 minutes, guys. And this was so delicious, guys. This was truly a banger.